All right. Please underline the letter D. D. Good. The letter K. Now, this is I. Very good. Good. Now the letter O. The letter Z. Z. Now. Very good. Good. Z. Repeat. Z. Z.
Z.
Z.
Z.
Excellent. W. Let's choose E. E. No. Excellent. Good. G. G. Good. I. Good. J. K. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Let us move to the next pupil. Yes, please. Show me the letter A. Underline it. Underline the letter A, please. Underline.
A.
A. P. Q. T. V. X. H. Good. M. N. R. S. C. B. And Y.
Y.
F. L. What is L?
U.
L.
N.
U. Good. Thank you very much. So this is the reinforcement that I was talking about in the first video. You can see that the learners have absorbed the pronunciation and also memorized how the letter is looks like in the written form. Thank you very much for your kind listening again, and that may help you to figure out how you can move from one stage to another.